The Dybbuk box's story inspired the 2012 horror film, The Possession. The box's current owner, Jason Haxton, wrote a book titled, The Dybbuk Box, detailing his experiences after acquiring the box. Some argue that its alleged effects could be attributed to psychological suggestion or coincidences. The Dybbuk box is often discussed within the context of supernatural folklore and the concept of cursed or haunted objects. The Dybbuk box serves as an example of how objects can become symbols of paranormal phenomena.